Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the official Bing app so you avoid browser quirks. Open your app store, install, and launch it now. Sign in if you want synced history and personalized results. Otherwise, proceed as a guest to test basics. Once done, grant location and microphone access when prompted so local results and voice queries work reliably. Make sure to deny only if privacy is a concern, because search relevance falls without location and voice permissions enabled. You now configure preferences so results match your needs, open profile, choose safe search level, and set your region for local relevance. Use the search bar for typed queries, tap the microphone for voice input, and use the camera icon for visual search. Each method gives different result types. Once you run a query, swipe across the tabs to compare web, images, news, and maps quickly. Make sure to pin or star useful results so you can return to them faster later. Finish by refining results and saving important items. Apply filters like date or site, use related searches, and try operators, site, or file type to narrow hits. Save pages to collections or share links to keep track of research. Synced accounts let you access these across devices. If results are incorrect or the app freezes, update the app first, clear the app cache in settings, and if problems persist, reinstall the app to reset state and resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.